You have surpassed the training, but the issue now is how to sustain your ability and capability to maintain the standard that the Customs Police is expected to perform.
For 4 months, 29 trainees, 1 officer, and 28 non-commissioned officers underwent demanding, rigorous training. They endured physical exhaustion, mental pressure, and emotional challenges. In fact, ako po ay dumaan sa Special Forces Operations Training at hindi namin pinagdaanan lahat itong mga ito. And we did it in 8 months to 1 year. Kayo ginawa ninyo in 4 months. So talagang I can just imagine how difficult your training was. Our nation is facing evolving security challenges. Issues such as smuggling, illegal trafficking, transnational crimes, and other threats undermine not only economic stability, but also public safety and national security. The Customs Police Rapid Intervention Group is part of the country's line of defense against those who exploit our borders and violate our laws. Your work may not always be visible to the public, but it is vital. Every threat intercepted, every successful operation, and every crime prevented contributes to the stability and security of our nation.
Na sila'y natutuwa sa atin, hindi lamang sa ating collection performance, kundi yun sa inyong napakadelikadong trabaho. Kayo ang tagapagdala ng ating tinatawag na panuntunan. You are the standard bearer. You have surpassed the training, but the issue now is how to sustain your ability and capability to maintain the standard that the Customs Police is expected to perform and make the Customs proud, make me proud. I am very well aware that you've undergone a serious and proper training, no less than from the trainers of the Special Forces of the Armed Forces of the Philippines and the Philippine Presidential Security Group. Kaya ibinabahagi ko sa inyo ang kanilang pasasalamat at pasasalamat ng ating mismong Pangulo and make the Republic proud with your risky and patriotic services.